senador po ako. Naglabi po ba ako sa inyo ng kahit na ano o kahit isang flood control project, contractor, etc. in my public service career? Meron po ba na nilapit? Meron po ba na nagsabi ako sa inyo, ito dapat ang gawin at ako'y eksperto? Pwede niyo po bang sabihin lang, just for the record?
Well, for the record, Your Honor, I don't recall anything that came from you to propose any flood control project.
RD Tolentino, just to put on record.
Yeah, same as Secretary said.
Thank you. And I just want to put this on record. Ever since we have met and we talk about flood control programs, I always ask you, Secretary, I always ask you, RD, what do we do? How can we help? And these contractors na nakita ko, in fact, mali-mali pa nga yung numero ko pala noong mga nakaraang panahon. Itong mga contractors na nasa Bulacan lahat, ni isa ho dito, wala akong kilala dito eh. Nagulat po ako dun sa lumabas na total number or figures na hawak nilang proyekto. And ngayon, may possibility pa na may ghost projects. I hope that siguro kung ibabalik yung death penalty, sana sila unahin na Senator Bato. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Secretary. And
Mr. Chairman, can I have a
Thank you,
quick, very brief interjection?
Joel,
Just a very brief interjection.
okay.
In reaction to Senator Joel, I'd also like to add that during my time also, I would also like to make the same statement as Secretary that Senator Joel never approached me for anything like that. So I just like that, to add that to the record, that even when I was DPWH Secretary, that applies.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Senator Mark, Secretary Mark. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Mr. Secretary, kanina sinabi ko this committee is willing to cooperate with your investigation. We're even willing to deputize a staff from this committee para lang makatulong doon sa paggawa ninyo ng investigasyon. Isang makatotohanang investigasyon. Kasi ang idea po namin, Mr. Secretary, we can even make a random testing. Halimbawa, kami na, pahiramin nyo lang kami ng backhoe. Our staff will pinpoint exactly what portion of that embankment, for example, or that slope protection structure. Konti lang naman eh. Babakbakin niya lang. Lilitaw at lilitaw talaga. Yung 6 meters na standard talaga. Para ko nang nakita. Minsan alternate. May 6 dito, tapos susunod 3, o kaya 2, and then 6, and so on. O lahat kaya, baka 3 meters lang. Madali po yun. May establish nating lahat. So we will pinpoint particular portion of that structure random. Are you committed?
Yeah, that will be most welcome, Your Honor.
Salamat po, pero wala po kami pambayad ng backhoe. Kayo na po makipag-coordinate sa opisina nyo, pahiramin nyo lang kami. May staff po kami at kung kailangan po, kahit ako po ay sasama sa mga ilang sites po natin para lang mapatunayan natin talaga.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair?
Mr. Secretary, kanina po sinabi natin na one of the observations of the President, doon sa 15 contractor, nag-identify sila ng 5 na halos lahat ng region ay kanilang na-operate. Ibig sabihin, may project sila in almost all regions. So, may 18 regions po yata tayo, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Mr. Secretary. So, palagay nyo na lang, lahat ng 5 ito, Legacy, Alpha and Omega, St. Timothy, EGB, Road Edge, palagay mo, they operated in 15 regions na lang. Kasi almost, sabi nung observation ng President. Ang isa po kasing project, Mr. Secretary, kailangan may dedicated na equipment, may dedicated na technical personnel. I am correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Palagay nyo, sa isang common na project, ilan ang dedicated na technical personnel per project?
Well, you have to designate your project engineer, your equipment operator.
Yung essential lang, yung essential. 5, what?
Yeah. Mga 7 siguro, Your Honor.
So, 7. Okay. Sa equipment, anong threshold natin?
The basic equipment, what is required, Your Honor, kung kailangan yung
Tell us.
bako,
Mga ilan? 3? 5?
for flood control projects, at kailangan mo ng bako, kailangan mo ng ano pa ba yung ano doon? Vibro hammer, siguro 4 na mga malaking equipment.
Yung
Your Honor.
pile driver mo, importante yun, di ba?
Yeah, yun ang
Siya yung
vibro hammer.
magbabaon ng mga...
Yung sinabi ko, vibro hammer. Your
okay,
Honor.
okay. Meron pang modern ngayon eh, di ba? Hydraulic yun eh.
Yan, vibro
Ngayon, kaya ko po tinatanong, hindi po ninyo magagamit yung 7 personnel na yon sapagkat dedicated na sa unang... Sa Region 1, meron ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Para maikalat mo ang sarili mo in 15 regions, so 7 ang kailangan technical personnel, 7 times 15. Ilan po yun, Mr. Secretary?
55, Your Honor.
Ilan po?
55, Your Honor.
So, kailangan siya, kailangan meron siyang,
Sorry, 85, Your Honor.
kailangan meron siyang 85 na technical personnel. Tama po, para lang maikalat niya yung sarili.
Tama, Your Honor.
So, kinakailangan marami kang bako, marami kang pile driving. Ang nangyayari po kasi, hindi totoo eh. Nagre-renta lang sila ng lisensya, pinahihiram ang lisensya, babayaran lang ng royalty. Ganito po yung nangyayari. They are flagrantly violating the IRR of 9184 na dedicated equipment, dedicated technical personnel per project. Hindi mo mai-assign sa ibang project. Hindi po nangyayari ito. It's impossible. It's impossible. Nakukuha siya ng 85 technical personnel. Hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo. Kaya po nangyayari na ikalat niya yung sarili niya. This is impossible. Kailangan po matutukan natin and we will get to the bottom of this, sabi natin kanina. At kung kinakailangang sisirin namin ito ng minority leader, Senator Tito Sen. Ay, nagdoble pala. Tito Sen. Gagawin po natin ito, Mr. Secretary. Kailan po kayo mag-uumpisa nung investigation para po yung aming deputized staff, siguro mga 3 po yung siguro, ay palilista namin ang pangalan sa inyo.
Actually, Your Honor, we have started, but we would be welcome actually the members from the committee who can join us actually in
Yes, Mr. Secretary, we promise you that we will give you the names
Yes, Your
deputized by this committee to assist you in your investigation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And we promise also to go beyond the 15 contractors kasi base sa feedback po nakukuha namin, kailangan din po ninyong makita itong mga contractors awarded na no less than 1 billion. 1 billion above meron din po. Katulad po ng 11-16 Construction, Northern Builders, Third Star Builders, Juros Development Corporation, R.A. Pahati Construction and Supply, Ulticon Builders, A.L. Salazar Construction Inc., A.C. Soliben Construction, Santo Cristo Builders. Kailangan po niyong busisiin din ito. Nandito rin po ang maraming multo, Mr. Secretary. Yung pong nakakapagbigay ng mas malaking concern para lang maano natin ang baha dito. Meron po akong nakitang isang dokumento na spillway project. Ito po yung, dahil po yung Laguna, di ba, ay mas mataas yata ng 4 na metro kung ikukumpara sa level ng Manila Bay. Tama po ba yun? So maggagawa po tayo ng spillway.
Yes,
para
Your
sa ganun po, maibsan natin ang lumalaking baha dito sa parte ng Calabarzon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pero, ang ginawa po ninyo ay kumuha kayo ng funding sa JICA. 150 billion pesos. Alam naman po natin, pagka JICA, Japanese government, at ang gagawa po niyan, sila rin po. Wala namang makikinabang na local contractors. Pero hindi po nyo nakita na tayo kaya natin gawin at 30 billion pesos. Siguro po, sasabihin nyo, mas okay naman ang technology ng Japan. O, okay lang po yun. Mas superior, sasabihin nyo. Ngunit, babayaran po natin yung 150 billion. Hindi po grant ito loan Pero kung titingnan po nyo, 30 billion pesos lang as compared to 150 billion. I-consider po din natin ito, Mr. Secretary.
Yes, Your Honor. If somebody could do it actually at that price, that would be must welcome, Your Honor. Ang kwan po dito kasi the spillway project that we are contemplating to implement there is a very complicated project, Your Honor. We have to do an underground tunnel. We have 50 meters down. You have to may pumps that will rise, that will pump out.
Alam po natin yon. Pag may pumunta sa inyong contractor, siyempre, ipakikita niya ang capability niya.
Yes, Your Honor, yes.
Hindi naman pumunta lang, kaya kong gawin yan
Apo.
i-entertain nyo na yun.
Apo.
Pero kung makita natin na meron siyang kapasidad at 30 billion pesos, I suppose, i-entertain din natin yung ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. I think...
Kanina po, sinabi ko sa inyo yung ilang mga construction companies beyond the 15 lists of the President.
yes.
Kasi po, kamukha nitong 11 to 16 construction at saka yung third star builders. Saan sila nakakakuha ng project? Ito po, DPWH Bulacan First District Office, DPWH Bulacan Third District Office, DPWH Tarlac First District Office, DPWH Tarlac Second District, nakakakuha siya sa NIA. Northern Builders, DPWH Tarlac First District, DPWH Tarlac Second District, DPWH Region 4A, and Region 4A Regional Office, and other districts. AC Sullivan Construction, DPWH Tarlac First District, at saka Second District. Santo Cristo Builders, DPWH Pampanga First District, Tarlac Second District, Zambales First District. AL Salazar Construction, DPWH Bulacan First District, DPWH Region 4 District Office, DPWH NCR District Office. RA Pahati, DPWH NCR District Office,